How do you use commas in compound sentences? A compound sentence is made up of two independent clauses that are connected with a coordinating conjunction. And, or, but, so. Quick review. What is an independent clause? Well, an independent clause is a clause that can stand on its own. It's a complete idea. And what is a clause? Well, a clause is a combination of a subject and a verb plus other components such as a direct object or maybe a location or time complement. The way you have to use the comma is pretty simple. Just place the comma after the first independent clause or before the coordinating conjunction. For example,
I would like to move to Italy, but I don't speak Italian very well.
Remember the acronym FANBOYS, FANBOYS, because each letter represents a coordinating conjunction.
F for A and N nor B but O or Y yet and S is for so. Fun boys. Those are the coordinating conjunctions. Let me give you some more examples.
She studied a lot for she wanted to pass the exams.
He neither liked broccoli nor did he enjoy spinach.
You can move to Italy or you can move to Portugal.
She was exhausted, yet she managed to go to the party.
Now, can you write your own examples in the comment section? And do not forget that comma. Extra point for sentences that contain the conjunctions nor, yet, and or. Do you know the rules for those conjunctions? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe or follow, hit the like, and I'll see you next time for more videos like this.